classmate Rahul.
We are grade 5 at Clever School.
One of our lessons is PE, which Clever School all the time care about it.
Do you know why Clever School all the time care about the PE?
Let me tell you, because PE is useful for our body.
In PE, what are the activities?
Playing football, playing basketball, playing volleyball, competition games, and another activity. I'm so pleased here. What about you?
Actually, I'm very excited here.
I'm so thankful for my best teachers.
Thank you for Clever School. I can get everything here.